Hello everyone, Jacqueline with the King's Daughter Boutique back again with you today to show you a really quick, easy updo for your hair for everyday type styles. So I'm going to be using some of these no damage elastic, big elastic rubber bands. I'm going to be using a headband. We do have headbands at the boutique. You can find some on there. I'm going to be using this cute little headband on there. Possibly some roller pins. They're the big oversized bobby pins. And then the secret to this hairdo is going to be a hair stick. Woo. Hair stick. Now we do have some of these at the boutique as well that you can purchase if you want. So lots of things. You can also use a pencil. Like I've used pencils and pens in the past too. I'm going to use my pick just to back comb a little bit because I did just wash my hair. You can see it's nice and flat. So I want to give it a little bit of volume there. And I just take the pick, put it under a couple times and then smooth out the top. And I'm not going to overly back comb it, just a little bit. See that? Just give it a little bit of fluff there on the top. Then I'm going to take some of my Tresemme hairspray. I'm running out of this one. I'm going to spray it, kind of getting some texture in there, which you can see. Then I'm going to pull it back and try and keep some of that texture in. I'm going to pull my hair back into a low ponytail here in the back. Now my hair is dirty, not necessarily dirty, but just not even brushed out. You can see it's like clumped together still. That's all right, that serves my purpose here today. So I'm going to pull up on some of these a little bit. Then I'm going to take this and just put it in a rubber band. So I like my rubber bands to be nice and tight. You know, everyone's got their thing. Mine is tight rubber bands, so I put mine in there as many times as possible and then pull it real tightly to my head. Then I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna pull some of these hairs a little bit just so that I don't have it, completely against my head. I have a very oddly shaped head. I do not have a nice shaped head that rounds up at the back. Some people do, I must admit. I wish I did, but I don't. So I try and give myself a little bit of a round head. My head like goes flat here. I don't know why, but it does. All right, so I'm gonna do that. See, I've pulled out a little bit of texture and spray that. Next, I'm gonna take this not so brushed out or clean hair and I'm going to back comb it just a little bit. And the only reason I do this is just to give it some texture to hold it in the bun easier, okay? So now that I've done that, I'm going to see, here's my stick. I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to wrap it around my hand like this. Pull this side here over, put my fingers in between there, and then I'm going to finish wrapping the rest of the hair up in it. All that screaming is one of my children. They're excited, not unhappy, just so you know. And then I'm going to put that stick in, so I'm going to kind of almost sew it in through my rubber band or underneath my rubber band and back into there. I'm gonna pull at it just a bit. Now my goal is I wanna see it on the sides because I think when you wear your hair up, I just like seeing some of my hair on each side or just on one side. Even like that stick to show too. But my hair is almost perfectly secured, which you can see without the use of any bobby pins or anything. It's just secured up in there. I could leave it just like that. But I like extra security on my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this side a little bit so that I can see it a tiny bit on this side as well. Then I'm gonna take a bobby pin here at the bottom. I'm just gonna stick that bobby pin in there. And I might take one, here on the side where I've pulled at it a bit and just kind of secure it a little bit right there. All right? Now I do tend to pull up my hair a little bit just to make it what I want it to be. But pretty much, there you have it. So simple and easy. I'll spray that. Secure some of those loose hairs. Kind of patted it a little bit to make sure that, he's so loud. It's secured in there. Spray it a little bit more. Now, I'm just gonna take my headband, flop it on top, and we're good to go. Alrighty gals, well that is your easy updo hair tutorial for today. Super easy, super cute, ready to go. So you don't have to spend forever on your hair, make it simple and easy. And that's one of the reasons I love headbands too. All right, have a great day guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.